What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you guys this unit by Annabelle. I'm so excited to show it to you guys because I posted it on Instagram and a lot of people were like, dog, your hair. So I'm going to show you what I did to get that look. So I ordered a water wave. So when you get the package, it will tell you on the sticker what you got. And other than the wig, you also get a card that has all the info that you need. So front and back, it tells you how to take care of your wig. It tells you all the bonuses and any coupons and anything like that that you need, and that can come in handy for your next order. And then they also give you 2 free wig caps, and they're dark brown, which you know I love. So in the packet of the actual hair, this is how the hair looks. It is so well protected. So there's a hair net on top of the hair, and then there's also stuffing, the white paper stuffing. But then for your lace, there's also a foam protector, so you know that your hair is going to be delivered and it's going to be very, very well packaged, right? So this is the hair, this is the lace. So it's not pre-plucked. I had to get the hair customized and installed, so you guys will see me at the hair salon doing that. But it is a 13x4 lace frontal, and the tracks are very, very nicely sewn in. There are combs and there are also clips in the hair, and there's also lace at the bottom of the wig in case you want to secure it there. And this is the length of the hair. It's a very awkward length, so you guys will see what I end up doing with it. It's not long, it's not short, but yeah, it's just it wasn't giving. The length was just not, it wasn't looking good. So I had a very, very good plan for it. So this is me at the hair salon. I went to SNX, and yeah, my rating is pretty low for SNX. I don't like the actual establishment, but I'll get into that later. But all we're really going to do to the hair is very simple. We're going to cut off the lace and we're going to start the installation process. So for me, when it comes to the look that I was going for, I wanted to get a short water wave wig, but then I wanted to do this trend that everybody is doing, and that's basically to get this blunt water wave look. And the only way you can get that look is if you get a wig that's a bit longer and then you cut it. So you know how with water wave hair, the main issue is that the hair comes and the ends are thin. I did not want that. That's why I didn't order a 10-inch or 12-inch. I wanted to get something that's going to be very full at the bottom. So this is just us installing. She used Got To Be freeze spray as an adhesive, and yeah, the installation was pretty quick. I think I was there for an hour or something like that. And yeah, so yeah, all we're gonna really do is just blow dry the hair into position. I went with a middle part, but yes, basically with this look, I really just wanted it to be fire, okay? Especially because with water wave hair, a 20-inch isn't a 20-inch. It's not the same 20-inch as if I had straight hair. So yeah, it hit very weird. So I had a good solution for that, and I loved the quality of the hair so much that I knew that if I was to do a bob, I would wear the hair so much more. I am a bob girl. I don't know what's happening, but yeah, I love bobs right now. So all we really did was put the hair in a middle part, and we used some foam to to find the curls. But yeah, this hairstyle looks especially beautiful with a middle part, because then you can see where the curls kind of hit and where the bob kind of ends. So yeah, it just looked fantastic. And then all we're gonna do, or what she was doing here, was she was applying pomade to the hair. They use a lot of pomade at SNX. I was confused, guys, I don't know. I don't know. I just, the hair itself was beautiful, I was saying, what I was unboxing, but I just don't think I got the right, I don't think I went to the right person. My normal hairstylist was booked, so I had to make a plan with SNX. This might not look bad to you guys, but I'm used to going to April, and her installs are just so much more natural looking. But I know how to work with wigs, and I know how to work with makeup, so the end product ended up looking really good. But I do not recommend SNX, guys. Just don't do it. Don't go to SNX, girl. But yeah, this is kind of the hair combed out. It's just an awkward length, and I'm just in love with how full this hair is. It is thick. okay, it's nice, it is thick, and it was going to be perfect for the hairstyle that I was going to do. So yeah, if you want a look like how I did, then definitely buy a longer wig from Annabelle and then cut it down. Like, as you can see right now, I'm telling her where to like cut it. So we started with scissors, and then we ended up using a razor thing. I don't know what it's called, but the one that they use for like men when they're cutting men's hair. Yeah, we ended up using that, and then that gave me like a more blunt look, which was perfect, which is exactly what I wanted. And then we were like working on the curls. So as you can see in this clip, we used mousse, and then we used like the spray that she had. So we were just defining the curls, and then the curls stayed like shrunken for a while. And then after I was done with my makeup, the hair had poofed up and it was looking stunning. So yeah, this is the oil that she was using. So if you guys are interested in this hairstyle, I really recommend that you go to Annabelle and you buy like 16-20 inches of hair and then cut it so that it can give you this look. Like, it's a blunt bob, but it's like curly, and if I wanted to, I could put more like product on there so that the curls can be more water wave. Right now they're giving very much beach wavy type of vibe, but like, do you see how thick the bottom is? That's what I wanted. I wanted the bottom to be super thick, and it worked out. It is perfect. I will just go in and pluck a little bit more of the actual hair, or just give it to April, because the issue for me was the installation, but the hair, girl, if you want details on this hair, it will be in the description box. I'll have everything you need down there. Even if I have a coupon code, it will be there. Thank you guys for watching.